Om Namo Venkateshaya. We are celebrating the Telugu New Year's, the Manmatha name New Year, on 21st March Saturday in the sacred temple of Lord Venkateshwara at Tirumala. For the festival, the main deity in the sanctum is already decorated on Friday with all special jewelry like diamond crown and diamond jewelry. On Saturday morning, after the usual morning puja, the processional murtis of Balaji, Malayappa Swami with Sri Devi and Bhudevi are seated in a Sarvabhupala Vahanam in Bangaru Vakili outside the sanctum, decorated with special jewelry and special flower decorations. The Commander-in-Chief of Lord Vishnu, Vishwaksena, is also decorated with special jewelry and kept ready in Bangaru Vakili for the Asthanam program. The Asthanam starts with offering of special sweetmeats and rice varieties to the Lord, and then decorating the main deity and the processional murtis with new clothes brought into the sanctum along with temple honors by the officers and the staff of the temple. The Asthanam starts with the sacred ritual called Akshata Ropanam, where the rice with kunkuma is poured on the Lord with the uttering of Swasti Suktam, a sacred hymn from Vedas. After this, the Panchanga, the almanac of the new Telugu New Year, Manmathanama Samvatsaram, published by the TTD, is read by the Puranam Pandit. In this, the position of the 9 planets during the year is described along with the benefits and any negative effects of these 9 planets on the state and the country and on the whole the human race. The predictions for the new year for all the general public is also given in the Panchanga. After reading the Panchanga, Harti is given to the Lord and Prasadam is distributed to the assembled devotees. In the evening, the processional murtis Malayappa Swami with Sri Devi and Bhudevi are taken out in a procession around the temple to bless the devotees on the Telugu New Year's Day. The Ugadi is celebrated by praying at the lotus feet of Lord Venkateshwara for the welfare of the entire mankind, and that the state and the country will be free from natural calamities, man-made calamities, and there will be enough rains for growing enough food grains and fruits and vegetables in the seasons, and the cattle will be grown with increased dairy production, and all the citizens of India will be free from diseases, and they will be blessed with all they request for from the deity with the divine grace of Lord Venkateshwara. Om Namo Venkateshaya.